A lot of guys want to know where to place their trail camera to get some really good game camera pictures. In this situation, it's late summer. Deer are still using, warm season food plots like beans and peas really well. So anytime you can find some trails or travel corridors coming from bedding to those food sources, those are really good places to get velvet pictures of your bucks, does that have got fawns traveling to and from that food source. So what we've got here is an ag soybean field that the deer are using really heavily. We see browse all up and down this tree line, but there's really no good trees on this tree line to mount a camera on. So what we're going to do is just cut a little hole out of this cedar tree, and we'll put the camera tucked in back here, and then we'll use these branches that we've cut to kind of weave back in around the camera and kind of camouflage it. And that'll keep any trespassers that might come through from being able to see it, and also just keep it out of the deer's face. So a really good tip to use when you're trying to hide your camera is to use the brush that you just cut from the tree or the bushes, whatever you've used, and kind of use them to camouflage the camera back in a little bit once you've got the limbs cut out of the field of view of the lens. And this will just help blend it right back in like it was before you cut them. But you're still going to have a nice opening there to have a clear field of view for your camera. Hiding your trail camera too is not just for people, but deer sometimes they're a little bit spooked when the camera's right in their face. So if you can get it mounted up just a little bit higher, where it's pointing down at an angle, you're going to get a better field of view, and a lot less likely for people to see it as well. That looks pretty good right there.